Hey, here we are, and we're going to find the intercepts of a linear equation. The equation is 5x minus 7y equals 12. And we can do this a variety of ways, but remember that the x-intercept is found by letting y equal 0. So we'll do that. We will say that 5x minus 0, replacing the y with 0, 7 times 0 is 0, equals 12. Don't need the 0, divide by the 5, so we'll have x equals 12 fifths. So that intercept will look like 12 fifths 0. Okay. The y-intercept comes from letting x equal 0. So from there we can say 5 times 0 is 0. So minus 7y equals 12. Divide by the negative 7. So we'll have y equals negative 12 sevenths. So that intercept looks like 0, negative 12 sevenths. Now these are points, not intervals. So those are our two intercepts that we were asked to find. Just to give you extra practice, if you're looking at this, maybe you have questions. Let's try and graph it by putting it in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form. So from there, if that's what we're going to do, we'll take our original equation, 5x minus 7y equals 12. We'll move the 5x over, so we'll have negative 7y equals negative 5x plus 12. And then we'll divide by the negative 7. So y equals 5 sevenths x minus 12 sevenths. So if we're going to try and graph this, I don't know how good we'll be at it, but our y-intercept right here we just validated was negative 12 sevenths. Well, that's not quite negative 2, but it's kind of close. So we'll put it down here close to negative 2. And then our slope, 5 sevenths. Remember, that means we go up 5. 1, 2. Let's do that in a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over 7. So we're also connecting it with a point over here. So these 2 points will be connected. And hopefully this line will go through 12 fifths, which is a little bit more than 2. So it looks like that's going to make a straight line. I have a very hard time making straight lines on my tablet. But if you were trying to make a graph, it would look something like this. All right. Thank you.